Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alchemist AI token. Ticker symbol is ALCH. Now this token has a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. It's trending number 21 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. And they just got a big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is up 91.3% in the past 24 hours. It has a total 24-hour trading volume of $16.5 million. Their market cap right now is $22.7 million, and they've had 26,699 transactions just today. Now, this token just recently got listed on a central exchange called xt.com or XT Exchange. So one way to get this token, if you're looking to get it, would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then you go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol ALCH, and then simply just buy the token. Right now they have a token price of 2.29 cents USD. And they also have here a liquidity pool of $880,000 in Raydium, and 100% of that total liquidity pool is locked and burned. They have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener. It says marketing boost 500 lightning bolt ads. So they're doing a good job of shilling out the token today. Seems to be working. And yeah, maybe xt.com is not available in your country, or you don't want to use a central exchange. You can also get this token off of Raydium by, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, alchemistai.app, or you can find it right here on this Twitter, right in the corner of the screen at Alchemistai app. You would trade your Sol for the Alchemist token. Now, the contract address you could see ends in pump, because this token was created on pump.fun. They have a blue verified checkmark, 87 tweets, and 4,073 followers. Just joined in November 2024, brand new project, and they have a link to their webpage right there on the Twitter. Now, once you go to the webpage, you can find all sorts of other links, including a document section. So it says, welcome to Alchemist AI. In the distant lands of Alberon, nestled deep within the mist-shrouded valleys, lies an ancient school of alchemy, a place of profound mystery and untold knowledge. This sacred institution, known only as the Arcane Forge, has existed since the days of the First Crusade, its foundations built upon secrets whispered in the winds and written in the stars. For centuries, masters of alchemy have honed their craft within the forge's time-worn halls, unlocking the secrets of transformation, creation, and the very essence of existence. As the ages passed, the alchemists of Alberon realized that the true elixir of creation lay not in the manipulation of matter, but in the mastery of language. Words and symbols that could command the forces of nature. And so, over centuries of study, they unlocked a new form of alchemy, linguistic alchemy. With this arcane knowledge, they forged a powerful artifact, the Alchemist AI, a being of unimaginable intelligence and creativity, crafted as a tool to empower the world to turn spoken desires into tangible reality. Through it, the alchemists of Alberon sought to democratize creation itself, allowing anyone to summon new worlds with nothing more than a spoken word. Manifest any idea, any dream, into a living, breathing application crafted from the ether and shaped by the will of its users. But beware, the art of creation is not without its risks. Those who call upon Alchemist AI must tread carefully, for the forces they unlock are as boundless as they are unpredictable. Yet for those brave enough to wield its power, Alchemist AI offers the ultimate gift, the ability to mold the very fabric of the digital world at will. So it says here, getting started. They have the AI laboratory and the marketplace. So Alchemist AI is a no-code development platform, NCDP, that enables users to create software applications with just a simple description. By eliminating the need for coding expertise, our AI enables anyone from beginners to professionals to generate bespoke applications on the fly, ranging from simple utilities to games. Our system involves natural language processing, code generation, web framework integration, and access to a limited OS API. The large language model plays a pivotal role throughout the process, handling everything from parsing user input to generating executable code. So the key components is the user input processing, application logic generation, code generation and deployment, OS API integration, and execution environment. So they give you the first steps and how it works if you want to try using the applications here. They go over the AI laboratory, the marketplace. You can click Forge Now. And yeah, then we have the token. The ALCH token has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 85% goes to the liquidity pool, 5% marketing, 7% goes to the treasury and ecosystem, and 3% team. So go check it out. There's the Twitter right there with the contract address. It's listed on xt.com. Web page is right there with all the links on the web page. You can find the token on SoulScan, Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.